Another twist in Sean Combs' criminal trial. The judge today holding firm on his decision to dismiss juror number 6 over conflicting answers about where he lives.
The move comes after protests from Combs' lawyers who wanted to keep the juror, who is black, arguing removing him would disrupt the diversity of the jury to replace him with a white juror who's from Westchester County.
Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles was in the courtroom for the developments and is live in Lower Manhattan with details. Darla?
Well, Sade and Mike, a very basic requirement for serving on a jury in New York is living in New York. But we found out that juror number 6, a 41-year-old black male from the Bronx, doesn't actually live in the Bronx, and he actually gave 3 different answers when asked 3 different times. And this development comes as the prosecution is now expected to rest their case on Wednesday. Monday morning, federal prosecutors working to close the loop in the sex trafficking and racketeering case of Sean Diddy Combs, presenting dozens of text messages and receipts they believe will prove their case. A paralegal for the government reading text messages recovered from a phone belonging to Combs' chief of staff, Christina Coram. An exchange with Cassie Ventura from April 2018 reads, "Hey, I'm sorry about last night. I can't do the violence. Scary kicked me out of my own house stuff anymore. I got Carrie and bounced." Coram responding, "Are you okay? I don't even know what to say, but I'm here if you need anything." Ventura responding, "I'm okay, just bummed." Coram texting back, "I'm sure. Stay focused though. It's not worth derailing. That much I know." Another text from March 2022 about picking up drugs for Combs at his LA house, asking Jane, "Hey, per PD, can you swing by Mapleton on your way to the airport to pick up a G package?" While Coram has not been indicted and is not on the government's witness list, prosecutors have been building their conspiracy case surrounding her actions, also showing jurors this text exchange with Combs after Ventura filed a civil suit in November 2023, telling Combs, "If you cannot be honest with me, this doesn't work. We all know what your kryptonite is and where you don't make the best choices." Combs responding, "Come take my phone." In part, Coram responds, "Has nothing to do with taking your phone. If you're starting to lie about anything to me, I'm just saying that will break me." Today, jurors seeing other text messages about Combs' drug purchases. In November 2022, writing, "Molly, 15 pills. Don't text, think." In an April 2023 text from a security guard that says, "Same vendor from above. An additional 1,800 has been approved." And jurors watched 1-minute clips from 3 different freak-off videos and saw actual dollar amounts Combs paid to transport escorts over state lines. But before testimony started today, juror number 6 dismissed after finding out the 41-year-old black male actually lives in New Jersey and replaced with an alternate, a 57-year-old white male from Westchester. Now, Sade and Mike, there may also be another juror issue which Judge Arun Subramanian said that would address at the conclusion of court today that may have happened behind closed doors. But what we do know, and all we know about this so far, is that there is a communication with a former colleague with another juror serving on this case, and we will have to see how that plays itself out this week. Reporting live in Lower Manhattan, Darla Miles, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.